Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I wanted to show you how to make char material without a char tin. You would need to use something like this if you struggled for days to finally make fire, try and bow drill, hand drill, every kind of way that you knew, and then you finally did achieve fire. The first thing you'd want to do is to make some char material. Well, you may not have a char tin, but I want to show you that you don't have to have a char tin. Let's go ahead and get a simulated fire, campfire going right here, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to make charred punkwood, char cloth out of t-shirt material, char cloth out of denim. Let's get started. Now these leaves are straight off the ground, so we know there's some moisture in them. I like to break them down just a little bit. That's too much. Leave some larger leaves, something for the flames to climb up. Put a hole right in the middle there. And as usual, we'll use my Stanley 10-049 and my keychain ferro rod. It's a bayite, 3 1/8 inches by 5/16. That's a lot of steam coming out of those leaves. Let's go ahead and cut about a 6 by 6 off of these. And we'll poke a little hole right in the center so I can put a skewer in there. All right, just like all good punkwood, you want it to be spongy. Squeeze in on it and it springs right back out. And just anything to snuff these out after you get them burning. Like we use this, not a problem. We'll use this pair of pants here. And set it on fire, and when it all turns black, snuff it out. Same thing with the t-shirt material. That should be enough char. Let's snuff this one out. All right, here's all three of them. They don't look like the nice, pretty, evenly black char material that we usually use, but they are very effective. Let me show you that. Here's the t-shirt material. And I got a little carried away with the initial burning process. Didn't really snuff it out quick enough, but that is perfectly good char. Let me show you. That was t-shirt material. Let's go for the charred punkwood now. And our charred denim. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. Do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.